Hello children, good morning. Now this is your social study class. Students, in continuation of the question answer from chapter Religious Festival, today we will start from question number 6 with answers. Up to question number 5 we have completed last day. Today we are going to start from question number 6. Okay, give your attention here and read the questions, learn it. Afterwards you have to memorize it. So let us start. Question number 6. What is a rangoli? You have seen no in your book the picture of rangoli is given. Okay, a picture of a design is given, that is rangoli. Okay, rangoli is made by colors, dry colors, that is gulal, or it can be made by flowers and leaves. Okay, so you have to define it. What is a rangoli? I have given this question because this is related to the chapter. Picture is given there, that means it is related to the chapter rangoli. Learn this. Answer. Making of a colorful pattern on the floor is called rangoli. Again, question number 6. What is a rangoli? Answer. Making of a colorful pattern. Making of a colorful pattern on the floor. On the floor is called rangoli. Very short type question, very small, in only one line, only one sentence you have to answer this. So this is very easy to memorize it. Question number 7. Why should we avoid bursting crackers on Diwali? Diwali is the festival of lights. People also burst what? Crackers, but should be in limit. Okay, people cross the limit and pollute the environment. This is not true, this is not correct, and this is very injustice to the life, to the lives. Okay, so students, what will be the answer? Repeat the question. Why should we avoid bursting crackers on Diwali? Answer. We should avoid bursting crackers as it causes pollution. As it causes pollution. What type of pollution? Air pollution, sound pollution. Okay, so we should avoid this. Say no to bursting. Say no to burst crackers. Okay, and if you want to do so, then should be in limit. Don't cross the limit. Right? So the answer is we should avoid bursting crackers as it causes pollution. Next. Which are the 3 national festivals of India? You know, there are 3 main festivals of India. There are 3 festivals, national festivals of India. So which are the 3 national festivals of India? You have to write that. The 3 national festivals of India are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Do you know the dates? You must learn the dates also. Okay, Independence Day, that means 15th August. we celebrate on 15th August every year. Okay, then Republic Day, that is 26th January. 26th January, we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. And Gandhi Jayanti, what is the date for this Gandhi Jayanti? We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. So, if it may be asked the dates also, but in this question you can mention dates, or you, if you not mention dates, that doesn't matter. Okay, because here I am asking about that you have to name the 3 national festivals of India. There are 3 national festivals of India are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, this much. Question number 8. How do people celebrate Dussehra? How do people celebrate Dussehra? Answer. People celebrate Dussehra as a triumph of good over evil. Okay, people celebrate Dussehra as a triumph of good over evil. So students, triumph means victory. Okay, next question number 10, that is from HOTS, higher order thinking skill. That is from your back from the chapter. This is from your textbook chapter, that is festivals unite us. How? Festivals unite us. This is statement, festivals unite us. Now the question is how? The answer, during festivals. This is long type question. Okay, in exam, short type question, long type question, both will come, and one word answer, 1 or 2 word answer, that is in very short type question. Remind it, very short type question, that means 1, 2 or 3 word within this 2 or 3 words, and short type question, that means within 1 or 2 sentence, and long type questions means more than 2 sentences, that is long type questions. So students, the question is festival unite us how? The answer, during festivals our friends and relatives come to meet us. Come to meet us after a long time. We sharing happiness and caring each other. Thus festival unite us. I am repeating. You'll also read with me. During festivals our friends and relatives come to meet us after a long time. We sharing happiness and caring each other. Thus festivals unite us. Okay, so these are the 10 questions from this chapter. Learn, memorize it and prepare for exam. Okay, for half-yearly exam prepare. These are the questions that come in half-yearly exam. So you must prepare for the exam. Good day students. The class ends here.